Hi everyone, I am Fahim Khan and today I will walk through my end-to-end data pipeline that transform from raw Uber data from the actionable business insights. Let me share my full workflow. So as you can see, first of all, it will start from the data store which is on GCP bucket, and then we have create the VM instance on the GCP, and inside the VM instance we install the Mage AI pipeline. Basically is a data engineering pipeline tool, which is open source. We can use Airflow as well, but we go with that Mage AI pipeline, so it's will more efficient, more easy to use as compared to Airflow. And after that, build a ETL pipeline, load data from GCP to GCP and transform it and then export to the data to BigQuery. After that, we fetch the data BigQuery to the Looker Studio. Then we build a Uber dashboard visualization. This is the complete workflow. So let me go to the screen and share. So here is the bucket where my data set is stored, and it contains 1 million records with details like pickup times, uh, fares, location. This is our single source of file. Is here and the store the CSV file. After that, uh, we create the VM instance. Here is the VM instance. We write the name as a Uber data instance. Then click on SSH, which I already did it. Here is the SH. Now just try to run the execute the command, update the packages, and try to install the Mage AI using the Docker. Then after that, we use external IP of VM, and also the use the port number. Is the UI of our ETL pipeline. Basically, extract over Uber extract.py file will extract the data from GCP bucket. After that, we have a Uber transform.py is transform the data, a number required fact table and the different dimension table. After that, after transform, we push to BigQuery with a strict schema enforcement. So I used Python for all of these. Then we have a uh, BigQuery as well. So let me share you the BigQuery where I have stored all the data. Let me just wait. Let me refresh it. So here is our data set, and here are some these are all the table we have stored: date, time, dimension, drop of locations, fact table join, basically used as join for use our dashboards. So these are the, and also have we have so we can here run the some queries to test it. So we can do it. So these are fact table we have. And after that, basically we build the dashboard on a Looker Studio. Basically here is the first we connect the Looker Studio to the BigQuery, and we have first create the dashboard like filter, vendor ID, and then we have create a slicer on the trip basis. Then we have some total revenue, to record count, average trip distance, average fare discount, average tip amount. And this is the map. And also total amount by rate code, and is a another visualization total amount by payment type, and the rate code count. So also What are the insight I'm finding this? Let me tell you. First one is highest trip volume at 8 a.m., 6 a.m., p.m. likely commute time. The lowest demand in 2 to 4 a.m. So surge pricing during peak hours to maximize revenue. And second was the payment behavior. 70% of trips use credit card. As we can see, there's a total amount by the credit card, and we can use promote in app payment adoption mostly. And for third one is geography hotspot. So you can see on the maps, basically, Times Square has the highest density, and airports also the higher density. So what action we can take? Pre-position driver in hotspot during the predicted demand spikes. And then we have a ride efficiency, means average trip distance is 3 miles. You can see that average distance is 3 miles, and highest fare per mile is negotiable, average trip amount or average fare amount. And so we what we action can take, target business client with the subscription plan. We can come with a subscription plan, and optimize driver routes to reduce the ideal time between short trips. Okay. And the fifth one is a driver performance. Top 10 driver person can earn 2.5 more in trips. Okay, so these are average trip amount. So high correlation between driver rating and the repeat riders. And so these are the insight we I find from the after building the dashboards and gain insight through a uh, BigQuery after running the SQL query. So uh, it's very, so just shift my into and over analytics pipeline, and want to see codes or discuss how this works, connect with me, comment below. Data engineering. Okay, thanks.